Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring the razor is charged and fitted with the right head. This prevents power loss mid-use and reduces tugging. Once done, soften hair with warm water and a light pre-shave oil so the blades glide. Make sure you hold the razor at the angle recommended by the manual. You'll get closer cuts with less irritation. Move in short, controlled strokes. Don't press hard. This first pass sets the baseline for a smooth finish and fewer passes later. You continue by working methodically across each face section. Start with the cheeks, then jaw, then neck, following hair growth. Once done with the initial pass, flip blades or change speed settings for a second, gentle pass where hair resists. Make sure to rinse the head regularly to maintain cutting efficiency and prevent heat buildup. If the razor has adjustable settings, use a lower speed near sensitive areas. These measured steps reduce nicks, and you finish with a careful, light pass against the grain only where necessary. This yields closer results but increases irritation risk, so be conservative. Once done, power down and disassemble the head to rinse and dry, then apply a drop of clipper oil to keep blades sharp and rust-free. Make sure parts click back securely. If you feel pulling or excessive vibration, replace the cutter head or blade. Such symptoms mean dull blades or clogged internals and are the most common issues to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.